If you struggle with the touching the tripod and it making a bunch of noise, if you struggle with that, give this video a like. I have this lovely homemade little tripod thing with both cameras on it. Today I'm going to be reviewing a GoPro Hero 6 and a GoPro Hero 7, and we're going to compare the audio, and I think it's going to be pretty cool. So stay tuned and let's get started. Biggest problem that I see with the GoPro audio is that when you touch the tripod, like I am doing here, there's always noise with, like I am doing here, there's always noise interference, I guess you'd call it. And if you want to use this as a vlogging camera, that's all I use on the farm is GoPro, because it's so small and I can put it on the equipment and I'm not worried about it breaking, or it's waterproof. I don't have to worry about that. I just think that's very important with cameras, is the audio. And that's something I'm struggling with on my channel, is the audio is never very good. Is the Hero 7 audio better than Hero 6? And I believe it is. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and scratch the top and around the camera, because before, alright, here's me scratching the top of the Hero 7, and here's scratching the top of the Hero 6. And I know that there's a huge difference. On the 7, you can still hear me talking when that happens. In the 6, you can't hear anything but that. And here's me rubbing the side. And here's me rubbing the side. And I think there's a big difference in that alone. They have gimbal-like stabilization in the GoPro Hero 7, which is amazing. Like right now, I'm walking, the cameras are bouncing around. Well, not a lot, but they're still bouncing around, and it probably doesn't even look like it is. That's due to their electronic stabilization in the camera. And the 7 is a lot better than the 6. Okay, I'm gonna try getting like some smooth shots. That was a short test, but that's all I really wanted you guys to see, is the audio improvement. And I feel like you guys got to see that. Alright, hopefully this video is good. Let me know if you liked it, if you hated it. It's just a test for my channel, to see if you guys want me to do this or not, stuff or not. And if you guys don't like it, then I won't do it. That's all there is to it. If you struggle with the touching the tripod and it making a bunch of noise, if you struggle with that, I hope you got the answer you needed. There's a big improvement with the Hero 7 audio, and that's why I got it. Oh, another thing is, if you guys buy from the GoPro Hero website, they give you $100 off and an SD card. So they got rid of this deal, I guess. It's only available for the GoPro Fusion, so sorry you guys missed out on that one. Alright, I'm just gonna go do some more tests outside, and hopefully you get a good visual. Here's a running test. There's a little bit of bounce in it, and I'm pretty sure the Hero 7 is gonna be slippery smooth. And the Hero 6 is going to have a little bounce in it. But yeah, just going to peel a piece of corn cob off for you. It's very short, but a little bit of wind out here. I don't know if there will be an audio difference in that. But yeah, let's go in there. Probably not going to go in there very far, because it's just rained all night. corn probably just sucked the moisture right up. It has a lot of kernels around, but it's not very tall. As you can see, the top is just not very good, so yeah. Alright, I hope you liked this video. If you did, I already told you to give it a thumbs up, but give it again. Give us something in the comments if you're new. And yeah, join the Farmable fam. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you sometime later on the farm.